this Sundowns that they claim is the best team in Africa or the best team in South Africa has won. This is how they've been winning the league. For all these years, there's controversy with this team. If it's as if you guys are forgetting that how Sundowns won their first, or I don't know if it's their first or their only star. You remember Sundowns was knocked out. They were knocked out and they won in the boardroom. That's how they won their first star. Today, they get an offside, a clear offside, and they score to go 2-up on Kaizer Chiefs. Chiefs scores the most beautiful goal I've ever seen in South African soccer. And it's ruled out to be offside. What the hell? But you know what, guys? I don't care who says what. This team, Sundowns, and the fans and everybody else, you know you wanted to cack yourself. This team was on your neck. The second half, none of this, I did not see Sundowns anywhere. You know you wanted to cack yourself. But anyway, I still go with this. I still go with them. Angisile abafana bahamba nomoya mina abazofeva iSundowns namhlanje ngoba iSundowns seyinomutsipho unemali. I still go with this, and I'm still saying we will show you flames. Chiefs didn't lose today. Sundowns with 13 players won. Sundowns with 13 players won. Chiefs, shem nkosi yami. A team, it's the team that is on the rebuilding phase, the team that is still struggling, the team that is still trying to combine. I wonder if your goalkeeper is going to be man of the match. It simply shows that the other team was more stronger than you. That goalkeeper Sundowns is the only reason why Sundowns was not beaten 5-1 today or 5-2. In fact, 5-1 because the second goal was an offside. I'm here. I'm still saying siyasaba ngalendlela le Chiefs ngalendlela edlala ngakhona no ngathi sebazigcina bashaya nathi ama supporters manje. This Chiefs is too dangerous. This Chiefs is too dangerous. Ngathi nathi sekumele sisabe manje bazoshaya nathi ama supporters abo manje. But you Sundowns bafowethu ayisuka nani niyazi you didn't win. Nani niyazi.